What's up, YouTube? So today I'm playing around with my Ronin S. Obviously you can't see it, but you know I am using it because everything is stable, which at least I hope it is. Anyways, today is Gwinnett meet. It's Thursday once again, but it's raining, and rain or shine, the meet is going on. So let's go see what it's looking like right now. Oh my. So yeah guys, I don't know. I might just end up going anyways. Whatever. Like I said, I could probably get some cool rain shots. Either way, we're still gonna make this a vlog, cause fuck it. Yup, it's still raining. A lot of you would call me crazy for taking this A7 III out in the rain. I know, but it's for y'all. Op shit, pop shit, 12 can't stop shit. Please name one bitch I cannot hit. Damn, already lacking. Already lacking. Oh no, baby, what is he doing? Hey, my boy. What's up, man?
What's up?
You got some new cars?
Yeah, I got
Did you get an E36 for me, man?
E36? I don't think so.
Alright, well, what Beamers you got, dude?
This, what's that?
Oh, you got that? Is that a... Oh, let me get that. How much?
5.
Huh?
To 5.
For real?
Yeah.
Alright.
All 3 of these for 40.
I'm gonna rock with you. Here, I got you, bro.
You got IG, right? You got it?
Yeah, dude. I got you.
sure.
I got you, bro. I'm the dude that gave you that picture. Remember?
Yeah. I seen it and then I followed you and actually I appreciate it.
Yeah, that was me, bro.
I have it as my profile pic now.
Yeah, that's you, yeah. Good looking, dude. What's up, Tomorrow is GMG night meet. I'll see you guys tomorrow. boy, was it lit. We had people getting supposedly impounded, tickets, and all this craziness because it was being dummies. And yeah, we had 1320 there, me in the middle of 2020. And Sunny, man, y'all went clutch on this meet. I ain't gonna lie. I can't wait for tomorrow, a night meet at GMG. Anyways, I just wanted to let y'all know, like, 1320 was on point. You know, we got a little merch tonight. You know what I'm saying? Whew, that's clean. Okay. I actually bought some Hot Wheels this time from homie. Alright guys, so it's getting kind of dark right now and it's kind of drizzling, but we're still going to try to make it to GMG tonight and see what we get, and we will get there right now. Chequeé uma llanta acá. No. Oh.